मंगळारा सुपर कपांत एफसी गोवा आड एटीके मॅच भुवनेश्वराक कलिंगा स्टेडियमार जातली। सर्त नॉकआउट आशिल्ल्यान एफसी गोवाक पयलेच राउंडात पेजात कामगिरी करची पडटली। कोच डेरिक पेरेराक आपल्या टिमीचेर पुराय विश्वास। एफसी गोवा अटॅकिंग खेळ करतले म्हूण पेरेरा मिडिया कडेन उलयला।
सर्जिओ लोबेरा हांगा नासलो तरी स्पॅनिश कोचान दाखयल्ले वाटेवेल्यानूच एफसी गोवा मुखार वतले अशें पेरेरा म्हणटा।
Sergio Lobera has brought in a style which entertains the Indian crowd, and we have got a excellent set of players, quality players who follow his. Everybody is serious about putting up a good performance and get a good result tomorrow.
भुवनेश्वराचे दमट वातावरणाचो पंगडाचेर प्रभाव पडचो ना अशें डिफेंडर ब्रुनो पिन्हेरोक दिसता।
With the weather conditions here. As I commented before with our staff, it looks really hot. It shows on my phone 32 degrees, but it looks like it's 40 or something. So yeah, it's hot everywhere in India. I believe it's hot. Maybe only in Delhi I got a bit of cold. So, but this is not an excuse for anyone. It will be to be ready to face a very tough opponent. But again, we must rely on our strengths. We already showed this league, this season that we can beat any team that we face. So tomorrow it's no difference. We will face a very strong team. We have all the respect for them. But again, we come here to win. We want to also to give back to our fans that despite the expectations were very high this season, and we managed to go to the semi-finals.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट।
आता पळोवया गोंयच्या बाकीच्या वाठारांतल्यो कांय खबरो।
सांगातान 2 एप्रिलाक ऑटिझम जागृताय रॅली काढली। रॅली मडगांव सावन सांग्या मेरेन गेली।
Autism awareness days when we light up everything in blue and make people aware that this is a condition that is not a death sentence, is not a thing that sort of keeps you away from society. Until we make that awareness, very little can happen, and I am so glad that there are so many people here for this rally, and you will make a lot of people aware by taking this rally from here to Sangya.
Some of us might be normal from what we think we are normal, but these special children, they perceive world differently. I mean, you can't look at the world from their angle. So I think it takes all of us, all kinds of people to make up this world and to accommodate what we require by creating this awareness. What are we trying to do? We are trying to create awareness, because the moment the awareness is created, the moment your mind knows that there is a problem or there is something like this in the world, then we get better prepared to have tolerance, to accommodate and to become sensitive.
My message to all the parents who have autism children: don't keep your children in the house. Don't get ashamed. Put them anywhere, in any school, and you will achieve something from it.
इस्टर एक्स्ट्रा वॅगनचा 2018 रायबंदरा जालो। रायबंदरा पॅरिसान कार्यावळ दवरिल्ली। हें तांचें 21वें वर्स।
गेल्ली 20 वर्सां आनी आतां 21वें वर्सें हो प्रोग्राम पॅरीस गेट टुगेदर ते ऑर्गनायज करीत आयल्यात पॅरीसच्या सगळे बांदार। This year this is 21st and it has got a special significance, कित्याक आमी आमचें नवें पॅरोकियल हावस बांदता। तेच बरोबर आदलें पॅरोकियल हावस आसा ताची दुरुस्ती सरकाराच्या आदारान करता।
सांग्यार कालयच्या साई स्पोर्ट्स अँड कल्चरल क्लबान ऑल गोवा ड्युएट सिंगींग सर्त दवरिल्ली. सर्तीक बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो.
नादावले धुंदावले कधी गुंतले जीव बावरे नकळे कसे कोणामुळे सूर लागले मन मोकळे
हो रब हो शरीक जीने के जशन में अपनी तो बात मगर कुछ निराली है हो अपना जीना तो जीना
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.